Hey guys, it's Circuit of Life. I found a couple of videos from the Columbia Hydroplane races from last year. I had them up before, but I decided to take them down. This one is of a F-15. Had a spectacular entry. I'm going to apologize beforehand for the dodgy camera work. Brand new camera, didn't know what I was doing. So hopefully it'll be okay enough for you guys, you know, as a quick little thing, and hopefully patch them together. Really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys at the end. Bye. Hey guys, thanks again for watching. Unfortunately, that's all I got of the F-15. There's always next year. Hopefully I can get more. Yeah, that was a pretty good show. Full afterburner the full time. The guy must have had a blast up there. So, anyway, I should have another video up here of the Huey and the attack cobra during that show pretty soon. And yeah, so hopefully I'll put that up soon and get more later. So, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.